Top 7 Best Desserts for Diabetics You Must Try. Have you ever wondered if you can enjoy desserts without spiking your blood sugar? If you're living with diabetes, satisfying your sweet tooth can feel like an impossible challenge. But what if I told you there are delicious desserts that can actually help lower your blood sugar? Managing diabetes requires careful choices, especially when it comes to sweets. Many desserts are loaded with sugar and unhealthy ingredients, but not all of them. In today's video, I'll share the top 7 desserts for diabetics that are not only tasty, but also help manage your blood sugar levels. Stay tuned to discover these delicious treats. You won't believe how good they can be. First up, we have a delicious and guilt-free sugar-free cheesecake made with almond flour. This dessert is perfect for anyone watching their blood sugar, as it's low in carbs and high in protein. The almond flour replaces traditional crusts made with flour, making it a diabetic-friendly alternative. Not only does it taste just as good, if not better, but it also provides healthy fats and fiber that help keep you feeling fuller for longer. This cheesecake is a great option for stabilizing your blood sugar because it's made with natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol, which won't cause those dreaded sugar spikes. Plus, almonds are known to support heart health, which is especially important for diabetics. A slice of this cheesecake is not just a treat, it's a healthy, satisfying dessert that can help you stick to your diabetic-friendly diet while still enjoying something sweet. Dessert 2. Dark chocolate mousse with stevia. But first, can you do us a small favor? If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and keeps the content coming your way. Next, we have a rich and creamy dark chocolate mousse sweetened with stevia, perfect for satisfying those chocolate cravings without the sugar rush. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health, both of which are important for diabetics. When paired with stevia, a natural, zero-calorie sweetener, this dessert won't spike your blood sugar. This mousse is incredibly simple to make. Just melt some high-quality dark chocolate, mix it with whipped cream, and sweeten with stevia to your liking. It's a dessert that feels indulgent, but is actually good for you. Plus, the rich flavor of dark chocolate means a little goes a long way, so you can enjoy a small serving and still feel satisfied. If you're a chocolate lover but need to manage your blood sugar, this mousse is a must-try. Next, we have chia seed pudding made with unsweetened almond milk, a simple yet incredibly nutritious dessert. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, which makes them a powerhouse for managing blood sugar. When combined with unsweetened almond milk, you've got a low-carb, dairy-free dessert that's perfect for stabilizing your glucose levels without sacrificing flavor. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels more stable. And because chia seeds expand and form a gel-like consistency when mixed with liquid, they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. You can even add a dash of vanilla or cinnamon for extra flavor and health benefits. This chia seed pudding is a perfect make-ahead dessert, and you can customize it by adding a few berries or a sprinkle of nuts on top. So if you're looking for something light, healthy, and filling, this dessert is a must-try. Dessert 4. Low-carb fruit salad with berries. Next up is a refreshing low-carb fruit salad featuring delicious berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them an ideal choice for anyone managing diabetes. Unlike other fruits, they're low in sugar and have a minimal impact on your blood sugar levels, so you can enjoy them without the worry of spikes. This fruit salad is incredibly versatile. Mix in a variety of your favorite berries, add a sprinkle of cinnamon, and even toss in some chopped nuts for a satisfying crunch. The fiber in the berries helps slow down sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar levels more stable throughout the day. Plus, the antioxidants help fight inflammation, which is important for overall health, especially for diabetics. So whether you're looking for a light dessert or a healthy snack, this low-carb fruit salad is both refreshing and packed with nutrients, perfect for anyone on a diabetic-friendly diet. Next, let's talk about coconut flour cookies, an incredibly tasty, low-carb, and gluten-free treat. Coconut flour is a fantastic alternative to regular flour because it's high in fiber and has a much lower glycemic index, which means it won't cause spikes in your blood sugar. These cookies are perfect for diabetics who want to enjoy something sweet without the sugar overload. What's great about coconut flour is that it's packed with healthy fats and fiber, both of which help to slow down sugar absorption and keep you feeling full longer. You can make these cookies even more delicious by adding in a few dark chocolate chips, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even some chopped nuts. Plus, they're super easy to make and store well, so you can enjoy them as a snack or dessert whenever the craving hits. These coconut flour cookies are not just diabetic-friendly, they're absolutely delicious and a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Next up, we have a Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and cinnamon, a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and flavor. Greek yogurt is naturally low in sugar, high in protein, and full of probiotics, which are great for gut health. When paired with nuts like almonds or walnuts, you get a dose of healthy fats that can help regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling satisfied longer. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon not only gives it a warm, sweet flavor without the sugar, but it also has been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity, an added benefit for diabetics. You can even layer it with some low-carb berries for extra antioxidants, making this parfait a versatile and delicious dessert. This Greek yogurt parfait is quick to prepare, and it's perfect as a snack or a light dessert that won't disrupt your blood sugar levels. It's simple, nutritious, and packed with everything your body needs to stay balanced. Finally, we have almond butter fat bombs, an amazing, energy-boosting treat that's perfect for managing your blood sugar. These little bites are packed with healthy fats from almond butter and coconut oil, both of which help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you feeling full. Unlike regular sugary snacks, these fat bombs provide sustained energy without spiking your insulin levels, making them a great choice for diabetics. To make them, you simply mix almond butter, coconut oil, and a natural sweetener like stevia, then freeze them into bite-sized pieces. They're easy to prepare and store in your fridge or freezer, so you always have a healthy snack on hand when cravings hit. Plus, you can add a pinch of sea salt or some dark chocolate chips for extra flavor. Almond butter fat bombs are not only delicious, but also a smart way to incorporate healthy fats into your diet while managing your blood sugar levels. They're the perfect balance of satisfying and nutritious. Which of these delicious desserts are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you're most excited about. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tasty recipes that help you manage your diabetes without sacrificing flavor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.